right, we're at the Bosselman Travel Center. There's the car over there. I'm currently stopped here on my way to Omaha for the night. But technically I'm going to Lincoln next. Final stop tonight's Omaha. But anyway, apparently there's a Dover Impulse here. And I also want to see how this compares to the legendary Iowa 80. This is a neat place. Right. They got casino slots. Let's try to find the elevator first. Oh, there it is. Let's give it a ride. I brought my water bottle in because I need to get water. I'm pretty thirsty. It's like super hot today. And yes, it is a glass Dover elevator. That's a big shot. Here we are. The Dover elevator. And look. Now you can see it just got here. Wow. Look, they have some lights up in the shaft to light this thing up. Oh, it's got the bumper. Yeah, go ahead and close up on me. Might as well. All right. Sure. Oh, it's a Dover O'Keefe, of course. How could I forget? We're in Nebraska. All the Dovers are O'Keefes. Here's the upper level. They got like pool tables and stuff. What are those little areas? These are like little... I'm actually kind of curious to see what these are. Here's a little TV watching area. What is this? This looks like a jail. Oh, they're phone booths. This is a very neat place. This place is very 90s, 80s, that's for sure. Anyway. I mean, look at that. It even just looks hot. Look at that sun burning down. My AC is working overtime today in the car. All right, we'll go up one more time. We know what that looks like. Some kid's watching me. What is he filming? Anyway, here's the tick. Anyway, there goes the elevator. And there's a view of rural Nebraska out the window. Anyway, that's it.